Welcome to the practice video for the math analysis practice exam for chapter 14. Question 5. Solve these two equations. So where is this equal to 12? Where is this equal to negative 5? I'm going to do the second one for you. It's a little more complicated. Once I do the second one, you should be able to do the first one. But think about what the absolute value means. Absolute value means this can be negative, this can be positive. This is always going to be positive. So if I look at this, how can I take this, get a positive value, and then make it negative? I really can't. The only thing I could do would be to multiply by negative 1, but I don't have that option. I don't have an x here. I can't make x negative 1. So I really cannot solve this equation. There is no solution. Based on that, I guess you're probably not going to be able to do 5a. So I'll show you how I'm going to do 5a. Actually, I'm going to show you a different problem. I really want to show you a problem like this. So I'm going to do C. Y equals absolute value of 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 4. I'm going to see where that equals negative 5, or positive 5. That allows me to do that because I always get a positive number from the absolute value. I can get a positive number, I can't get a negative number. To get a 5 here, I can get a 5 here. If I get a 5 here, the absolute value will give me a 5 here. But I can also get a negative 5 here. If this is negative 5, the absolute value will make it positive 5. So either way, and I'm going to write both possible solutions. 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 4 equals positive 5, or 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 4 equals negative 5. To solve that, I'm going to multiply both sides by x minus 4. When I do that, I multiply by x minus 4. Those will cancel. I'll just have 3x plus 2. I multiply this by x minus 4. Distributive property once again. 3x plus 2 equals 5x minus 20. And now I need to get all my x's on one side, all my numbers on the other side. I'm going to add 20 to both sides. And I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. These cancel. 20 plus 2 is 22. And 5x's losing 3x's leaves me with 2x's. Now I divide both sides by 2. I get 11 equals x. That's one of my possibilities. The other possibility is over here. Once again, multiply both sides by x minus 4. 3x plus 2 equals negative 5 times x minus 4. 3x plus 2 equals negative 5x. I also multiply the negative 5 times the negative 4. It's 20. And same thing, except now I'm going to add 5x's to both sides. I could subtract 3x from both sides, but that would give me a negative number. We have the technology to work with that. I just like to make my life easier. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides then to get all the numbers over here. So 3x plus 5x gives me 8x. 2 minus 2 gives me 0. Negative 5x plus 5x gives me 0. 20 minus 2 equals 18. So I have 8x equals 18. Divide both sides by 8. And I get x equals 9 over 4, which equals 2.25.